Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Nee Doh Gummy Bear. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Nee Doh Gummy Bear, let's begin by making the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and let's just begin by making a sad face shape, just like this. Right at the top, let's go ahead and make an oval for the nose. We can go ahead and just connect the bottom with a curved line. Let's draw a little line out here and a little line out here for the bottom of the head. Now let's go ahead and connect these with a nice curve. So we're going to bring this up and back down to here. Now for the eyes, they're going to be kind of connected on here. So let's begin by making a circle shape, and then we'll make another circle shape right here. We're going to go ahead and just make a small circle shape inside of here. For the ears, let's draw a nice big half circle shape here, and then we'll do the second one over here for the other ear. Let's go ahead and draw a second smaller shape inside of here for the inside. Now let's make the arms. To draw the arms, we want to come down. We're going to curve this around and bring it up into here. We'll do that same thing here. Just bring this down. We're going to curve this around and bring it right up into here. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that comes down and a line that comes down right here. For the legs and feet, let's draw a nice curved bump like this. And we'll do that same thing here. Just make a nice curved bump that's going to come right to here. And we're going to leave a little bit of space, and we're just going to draw a line here to here, and then here to here. And then we can connect this. Let's go ahead and make a circle shape for the bottom of the foot, and we'll make another circle shape right here. Now underneath here, they have a little bow tie. So let's go ahead and make a small square shape right underneath. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up at an angle. Same thing here, down and up at an angle. Then I'm just going to add my own little touch, and I'm going to give our bear just a little smiley face, just so he doesn't look like he's just kind of staring off. And I'm also going to make just a little line down to make him a little bit cuter. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Nee Doh Gummy Bear. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.